guys, back with part 2 of fireworks. Holy! Oh! Ginormous. Oh my god.
Go at me.
I can't wait till the grand finale. I love the grand finale.
Me too. Oh! Ariel! Oh!
Oh my god!
They're small, but they're huge. They're very puny. Wow! Oh, I love those. Pretty.
Oh my god.
Wow, they change color.
So I'm just aiming at the ground.
Bow! A big one. Bow!
Boom! Boom shakalaka.
Oh, I love this type. Here it comes.
Bow!
I love this type with like the blue in it.
Yeah.
It's like the rocket that shoots off and explodes in the middle.
Dude, this is awesome. It is.
Like this is
I'm getting
spectacular
closer.
footage.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting really close to. Oh my gosh!
Boom!
Dude, Chelsea, zoom in fully. It's freaking big.
Oh!
It's like it's like Slitherio dots. Jeez. How? Oh, this might be the finale. No, not yet.
Finale's in about 20 minutes now.
No.
This is supposed to last about half an hour.
No, Mom said it's last about 15 minutes.
Can we sit down, guys?
No, because we're recording. So
Sorry.
it's fine.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks like a clown face. I'm scared.
I know, right?
I'm scared.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ow. Ow.
Ah.
I've been hit.
Ah.
I've been hit.
Look, it's like a
Die.
star.
Oh, no.
Ah.
Oh, my God. Owie.
I hate those.
Owie. My throat hurts. You want to cut the cheese? I'll cut the cheese. Excuse me.
Oh my god!
Ow.
That's so loud.
I'm gonna
Oh,
die.
aren't they gonna do?
You were not going to
Ow.
get your jacket.
I changed it.
Ow.
I like to be comfortable.
Armpit farmer. Ow, ow.
Oh my god.
I thought that was smoke. It's actually a radio tower. Ow.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh, keep
It's
going.
gonna end. Ow. The world's gonna end. We're all gonna die. Please save me.
Hi.
Ow.
Ah.
Oh.
I'm gonna end the video until the finale.
Don't.
Well, I'm on my second part already.
The thing's having a hard time following it. It's like,
I know, it's kind of hard to follow where the
oh,
fireworks
your
are.
screen's crashed.
Wow. Oh, thank God.
Where's an aerial? I need an air. I need like this. I need the most powerful type of all. Is this it? Nope.
Ah,
Is this it? Oh, come on.
this might be it.
Nope.
I'm
Is this
shooting
it?
it.
Ariel, come on,
Guys,
Ariel.
is
Is
there
that an
an
Ariel? Is that an Ariel?
Nope.
No.
Oh, that was an aerial.
No.
Aerials are small but powerful. Oh, it's raining.
Raining. It's
Oh
raining.
no! Oh no! Please tell me. Oh, I thought that was gonna explode. I'm just like, oh no. Did you see? It just went up and then it just went
Shoes?
down.
I'll give you a shoe.
Oh no!
Holy crap, that was
Oh no! It's like you shoot a pistol.
Oh, that was
Pow!
cool.
It like just explodes.
Boom! Boom! Reload!
Chicka kaboom!
I'm using a revolver. I'm using my revolver.
Boom! Boom! Oh no! Oh no! They're firing at us!
Some people.
Ow! Ow! It's done! Come on! Come on! Is that all you got?
She has in part
Come
3.
on!